Hello everyone. Good morning dear students. Yesterday we have completed our lesson number 1 in unit 2, how the dog found himself a new master. Today I am going to explain you the question answer of this lesson. So please listen to me carefully. Question number 1. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? We have discussed during our lesson that a dog need for a master who is strongest on this earth. So our question is, why did the dog feel the need for a master? So the answer is, the dog was sick and tired of wandering alone in search for food. He was also frightened of those who were stronger than him. Hence, he felt the need for a master. डॉग को क्यों एक मास्टर की ज़रूरत पड़ी? बिकॉज जो डॉग था वो यहाँ से वहाँ फूड के सर्च में भटक रहा था और उससे थक चुका था और वो ऐसा चाहता था कि उसे कोई ऐसा मास्टर मिले कि जो ये अर्थ पे सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर हो. Hence, he felt the need for a master. Question number 2. Who did he first choose as his master? Why did he leave that master? During the explanation of our lesson, I have discussed with you that a dog need a master for him. So, who did he first choose as his master? The answer is, the dog first chose a big wolf as his master. सबसे पहले उसने एक वुल्फ को अपना मास्टर चूज किया. Soon he felt that the wolf was afraid of the bear. Seeing this, he realized that the bear was stronger than the wolf and he left the wolf. सबसे पहले उसने वुल्फ को अपना मास्टर चूज किया, but then he realized that the bear was stronger than the wolf. उसने देखा कि बियर जो है वो तो वुल्फ से भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर है. तो उसने क्या किया? Seeing this, he left the wolf and made his new master to the bear. Question number 3. Who did he choose next? After the bear, जो पहले उसने सबसे पहले उसने वुल्फ को चूज किया. The dog first chose the wolf. Then who did he choose next? So the answer is, the dog next chose the bear as his master because he was stronger than the wolf. The dog saw that the bear was stronger than the wolf, so he left the wolf and then next he chose the bear. Question number 4. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? We have discussed that the dog served a lion long time and he stayed with him very long. So here the question is, why did he serve the lion for a long time? The answer is, the dog served the lion for a long time as he was happy and he had nothing to complain of. There was no stronger beast than the lion in the forest, and no one dared to touch the dog or trouble him in any way. So, जो यहाँ पे हमारा क्वेश्चन था कि जो डॉग है वो लायन को सबसे लंबे समय तक क्यों सर्व करता रहा? सो द आंसर इज he was happy, the dog was happy and the dog had nothing to complain of. वो लायन के साथ रह के बहुत खुश था, उसे कोई कंप्लेन भी नहीं थी उसे, बिकॉज जो लायन था, द लायन वॉज स्ट्रोंगर बीस्ट देन एनी एनिमल इन द फॉरेस्ट. पूरे फॉरेस्ट में लायन से ज़्यादा और कोई स्ट्रोंगर एनिमल नहीं था. और जबकि जो कुत्ता था वो लायन के साथ रहता था, सो अदर एनिमल्स ऑल्सो डिडंट डेयर टू टच द डॉग और ट्रबल हिम इन एनी वे. सो द डॉग सर्व्ड द लायन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. हु डिड ही फाइनली चूज एज हिज मास्टर एंड वाई? Students, we just discussed that the dog first chose the wolf as his master. Then he left the wolf and chose the bear the next. And after the bear, he found that the lion was stronger animal in the forest. So then he again left the bear and choose a lion. And finally, here our question is, who did he finally choose as his master? Finally, dog ने अपना master किसे choose किया और क्यों? So here the answer is, the dog finally chose man as his master. फाइनली डॉग ने मैन को अपना मास्टर चूज किया. मैन मीन्स ह्यूमन बींग्स. द डॉग फाइनली चूज मैन एज हिज मास्टर एज बिकॉज ही रियलाइज्ड दैट मैन इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल बीइंग ऑन अर्थ. उसको रियलाइज हुआ कि ये पूरे अर्थ पे जो मैन है, जो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स है, वो सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड पावरफुल है. इवन द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एनिमल लाइक द लायन ऑल्सो अफ्रेड ऑफ हिम. वो सोच रहा था कि इवन जो फॉरेस्ट का सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गर एनिमल जो है लायन, वो भी मैन से डरता है. दैट्स वाई द मैन is the strongest and powerful being on this earth. And seeing this, he left the lion and chose man as his final master. And he thought his search for the strongest being on the earth was over. So, these are our question answers of our lesson. Now, the next exercise is fill in the blanks. To complete it, taking appropriate phrases from the box. Here, you can see that there are some phrases given in this box, and with the help of these words, we have to complete these blanks. We have to fill these blanks. So now let's start. This is the story of blank. Here a blank is given and we have to complete this sentence by filling a most appropriate word. This is the story of a dog. ये जो स्टोरी थी बच्चों, वो किसकी थी? तो एक डॉग की थी. Who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master blank फिर उसने अपना मास्टर बनाने को डिसाइड किया. किसे अपना मास्टर बनाने का डिसाइड किया? Strongest than anyone else. Here the answer we will write strongest than anyone else. First, he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was the strongest of all. After some time, the dog met a lion. After the bear, the dog met a lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day, he realized that the lion was afraid of man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. Here we are completing today our this session. In our next class, we will continue with other exercise. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.